Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 3. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 3. Let's see our today's topic. It is Unit 3, Reading, Word Meaning, Make Sentence and True False. I am telling you again, our today's topic is Unit 3, Reading, Word Meaning, Make Sentence and True False. Dear learners, this is our lecture number 5th and homework number 3 on our half-yearly exam syllabus. Dear students of class 3, I request all of you to open your buzzword book, this book, page number 26. Buzzword book. We don't have Unit 2, okay. In our previous classes, we learned from Unit 1 and now it is Unit 3. We don't have Unit 2 in our half-yearly syllabus. The title is The History of Money. I hope that you have opened your book, page number 26. Look here, look, some pictures are given here. So here are some words related to money, match them to the correct pictures. I am telling you again, our title is The History of Money, very much interesting lesson from our buzzword book. So look here, it is notes, then coins, credit cards, check, wallet and piggy bank. So from the very beginning, so look here, this one is coins, we all know, okay. That means coins is given here, coins, this one is coin. Now it is credit card. So look here, this one is credit card. Okay. Now this one is, then first one is notes. So look here, this one is notes. So which one is note here? Notes. This one is notes. Now check. So look here. So what is written here? Check. Here, look at the picture of a check. Check. Then wallet, look, this wallet, so look, there is a picture of wallet. Then piggy bank, it is piggy bank. Very much interesting words we have, okay, and thing we have met. Okay, now dear learners, we have reading at first. In this connection, I request you to go to your book, page number 27. So I think all of you can see this, page number 27 of your buzzword book. Look, thousands of years ago, no one needed money. People traded. That means traded means they are bought or sold something. What they had to get, what they wanted from others. This is called bartering system or exchanging system. People exchange cattle like cows, goats, camels and other animals. When people started growing crops, they used crops for barter. They used to trade animal skins for grains or pottery for food. Farmers would trade a kilo of apples for a kilo of orange with their neighbor. This kind of exchange is still used in certain parts of the world. Now, next para. For bartering to happen, each trader must have something the other wants. That was not always possible. Soon, money was invented by people. This was easy because this money was a kind of token. Token means symbol. Money was a kind of token. Early, money was different in different places. People traded salt, shells, tea leaves, sheets, camels or dried fish for things they needed. The ancient Chinese and Indian used cowrie. So look at C-O-W-R-E. Look at the picture of a cowrie shells. It is cowrie shells, okay, as money. This became the first form of money ever used. They also used tools made of metal like knives and spit as money. From this came the round coins like the coins that we use as money today. Round coins. So in this connections, look at the picture, it is round coins, okay. Round coins which we use today. These coins were usually made of metal and had holes in them so that you could put the coins together to make a chain. Next para. Some Native Americans used wampum or string of small polished beads made from clam shells. So look at the picture of a wampum. This is the picture of a wampum. Now dear learners, we will go to our next page, page number 28 as Mani. Wampum means white, the color of the clam shells as the beads. To make buying easier, people began using precious metals as money. Gold, silver and copper, these are the very much precious and valuable metal, were hard to find and therefore valuable. Small pieces of silver with figures of gods and emperors on them were also used as money in Greece and Rome. Next para. About 4,500 years ago, so look here, about 4,500 years ago, precious metal were used to pay for goods and services in Egypt and Asia. Then metal money was used throughout Europe and the Middle East. Still later, the Chinese invented paper and started printing paper money. This was around 1800 years ago. That means 1800 years ago. So look here, 1800 years ago, another it is called 1800 years ago. They were the first used to paper money. That means Chinese was the first, they used the paper as money. Now there are different kinds of money. So look at the picture here, paper money. I think all of you can see this paper money. Currency in the world. When we travel to another country and want to buy things, we usually have to exchange our money for the currency of the country we are in. Very common thing. Today we pay for things with credit cards or checks. Cash cards allow us to get cash wherever we need it. Money has had a long journey. Dear learners, we have finished our reading session. Now we will go to word meaning. So look, word meaning. How many word meaning I have given? 4 word meaning. These are selected and this word meaning will be your homework. So look here, I am telling you. Okay. So look, it is written homework number 3 and our homework is word meaning 1 to 4. Only 4 selected word meanings are given as your homework. Okay, look at the first one. Traded, bought or sold by exchanging one thing for another. Number 2, pottery, pots, plates, cups and other such things made out of clay. Number 3, cash, money in the form of notes and coins. Number 4, token, something that can be exchanged for goods and used in place of money. Dear learners, if you look at your book, page number 26, then 27, okay, you will get the word meaning of this, okay. 4 selected word meaning, but another information, if you open your book page number 27 and 28, you will get the meaning of these words. 27 and 28 below of these 2 pages. Now word meaning is done. Now making sentences. 4 making sentences or make sentences. Number 1 is pottery. We visited a pottery shop yesterday. Number 2, trade. They wanted to trade animals. Number 3, token. She was given a token to enter the museum. Number 4, money. Money was invented by people. Our last segment, this is our last segment, it is true false. Number 1, people use tokens for bartering when they start growing crops. Answer is false. Here people used crops. Answer is false. So look here, after ending of the sentence it is written false. The number 2, the ancient Chinese and Indians used clam shells as money. False. Okay. So look here, answer is false. Cowrie shell they used. Okay, look. Number 3, people traded the skins of animals in return for food. Yes, statement is true. Number 4, we now use credit cards and cash cards to buy things. Answer is true. That means among these 4 true false, first 2 are false and last 2 are true. Dear students, it is seen that when you submit your homework, it is seen that many of you have submitted your homework following our YouTube classes, but all the topics you have written. Dear learners, know This is not the proper way. You will do as your homework only the selected one. Only the selected one, not all, that not each and everything of our YouTube classes. So look here, only the selected one. That means your selected one homework is only word meaning. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 word meaning will be your homework. So look here, only these 4 word meanings will be your homework. Not making sentence, not true false. Please follow our YouTube class properly to learn and to do your homework properly. Dear students, I hope that all of you have understood this important class, and if you have any query, please write me in the comment box. Inshallah, you will get the answer of your questions. Finally, don't forget to submit your homework. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.